Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is essentially kind of a luxury haul, but it's me treating myself for Christmas because I feel like I'm probably the worst person to buy for. My husband always says that, and I have bought some items for myself for Christmas. However, this video does serve as a great gift idea video as well because I do have varying price points and they are all luxury designer items. So there potentially could be something there that you want to grab to treat yourself like I do, or something you want to request from your significant other, or something that you'd like to buy for somebody else. So there are some ideas in here in case you are stuck on what to get this Christmas. But before I dive into today's video, if you are new to my channel and you like luxury, fashion, handbags, skincare, beauty, and some investigative content on the fashion industry, I do a mixture of all these videos on my channel. So if you aren't subscribed, I would love if you hit that subscribe button below, and also the bells to be notified when I upload new videos. I tend to have a upload every weekend, and then I might occasionally spring up a surprise video somewhere else in the week. So for the first part of this video, this is a collaboration with HELAS jewelry. So this is how the packaging looks. Very giftable, great for Christmas. So HELAS was actually founded in Melbourne, Australia in 2014, and I'm a fellow Aussie, so I love supporting Aussie brands. So I have 3 pieces of jewelry here. Beautiful Vela box with the HELAS logo on the front there. Enquires saltwater pearls, earrings from the Melody collection. So saltwater pearls are rarer than freshwater pearls. The production of Enquires pearls accounts for only 5% of freshwater pearls. That's how rare Enquires pearls are. The saltwater pearls have a very obvious luster effect. When you look at them, they're almost somewhat reflective. Also, as well, the other thing to note with saltwater pearls, they are actually far more hard wearing. They are more resistant than that of freshwater pearls. They are also using recycled 18 karat gold. I feel like these earrings are a great entry level piece, and the style of these earrings are so classic that you can easily wear them for casual day use, but then you can also dress them up for evening use as well. They are very elegant and very luxurious looking. So moving on to the next one, again with this gorgeous packaging. The next one I have here is from the Lean In collection, and it is the alphabet necklace. The chain on this is actually adjustable, so it's a 45 centimeter chain, so you can get any letter from the alphabet for this. So this would be a great gift idea. Even if the recipient doesn't want to wear it with the letter on the front, they can actually flip it around. This final one would have to be my absolute favorite, and it is from the Melody collection. This is the Enquires Pearl Balance Beam necklace. But you can, as a matter of fact, wear this necklace in many different ways. So it's got this gorgeous bar in 18 karat solid gold. These beautiful, perfectly round saltwater Enquires pearls. So this necklace is adjustable for how you can actually wear it just by moving the single pearl. So you can pull the pearl down to have it slightly drooping. You can also adjust it to have the balance beam sitting even higher. And then you can also adjust it all the way up to wear this as a choker. So you have that single drooping pearl dropped down the middle there. That looks very elegant. This would be such a gorgeous item to be opening up on Christmas Day, or even gifting it for Valentine's Day. That letter necklace as well is very personalized, so that's also a nice sentimental piece too. And as you can see, it stacks really well with the balance beam necklace too. And I do as well have a very special discount code that they are offering just for December. So for just December only, you can get 26% off site-wide, and that code is PUR26. It looks as though as well they've also offered me a coupon that you can use site-wide. It seems like this code will actually last longer, and that is 20% off site-wide with the code PUR20. I'm going to leave the links to shop HELAS jewelry down below in the description bar, as well as those 2 coupon codes. Remembering that the 26% off is only for December. They do offer that worldwide express shipping. But yeah, let me know which is your favorite piece out of the 3 that I revealed today. I'm interested to know your thoughts, but let's move on to the rest of this video. Alright, so the first beauty item I have to reveal is actually from Tarte. This will be the only item here that I'm revealing that is technically not like a designer item, but Tarte is a very popular makeup brand. I actually got this during the Black Friday sales. However, the price on this is actually really good value. 3 eyeshadow sets. You could gift these individually, like as a stocking stuffer. You could keep some for yourself and then gift one away, or gift them all away. So this is the eyeshadow palette Gilded. They've got all different color stories as well. So this is the eyeshadow palette Gilded, and this has got like a neutral bronze kind of color story. The glitter shades pay off beautifully from what I could see, and all those matte shades have a beautiful pigment to them as well. This is the Elegance eyeshadow palette, and this is a pinky kind of purple theme, very romantic sort of color story, this one. And I love that they've got different embossed designs on each of the glitter shades. And the last one is called Bejeweled. This is a smoky neutral kind of palette in my opinion. Got that beautiful blue metal sort of shade there, but then you've got a very dark kind of cool tone brown. So this is more of a neutrals but smoky palette, whereas the other neutral palette was a warm tone sort of palette. So if you are going to break these up, just bear in mind what people's preferences are in terms of cool shadows, warm shadows. I will leave these linked down below for Australian buyers and as well for US buyers. The next beauty makeup kind of items that I have to reveal are from Christian Dior. So these are all Dior beauty items. I'm a big fan when it comes to luxury beauty of Dior and Chanel. I just like the quality of their products. These are from the online store, and when you do buy online, you do get some perfume samples in there. I ended up getting the other two limited edition sequin lipsticks. So this is the shades 333 Intrigue, which is the pinky sequin shade. And then the other one I got is 703 Sensation, which is that purpley kind of cool tone sequin shade. The sequin lipsticks from Dior are super popular. This is the second time they've actually released them. So they did them last Christmas and now they have done them again this Christmas. These were the ones that I was missing. And I also didn't get the darkest one, which was 903 Stars. It's just something I would absolutely never wear. Those sequin lipsticks are limited edition as well. So that's something to keep in mind. If you are wanting them, you get them as soon as you can, if they are even still available. I know in Australia ours are pretty much all sold out now. So the other products that I got is some lip maximizers and a Dior nail glow. This is a nail polish, but it's like a pink sheer sort of shade, great to wear as like a French manicure, or you can just wear it standalone on its own, which I plan to do to standalone on its own. I don't really have time to do the whole white tip sort of thing. And then these other two are both sheer lip maximizers from Dior. So these give your lips like a plumping sort of effect, but they also contain hyaluronic acid, so they are very, very hydrating. I find that the hydration of these lip maximizers last a very, very long time. They'd probably be my absolute favorite lip product, actually. I think that I think they would actually be my favorite lip product, even compared to like Chanel. I love these so much more than the Chanel Rouge Cocoa glosses. I'll pretty much almost always pop on a Dior lip maximizer, or I'll take it in my bag so I can put it on, or I leave one in the car as well. So this purpley one here is the shade Berry 006. And then the other one is the shade 007, which was this one here, and that is Raspberry. They're both actually sheer lip glosses anyway, so they don't come out super duper pigmented. They'll give like a hue for that kind of color there. I'd pop one on now, but I'm wearing like a nude sort of lip, so I don't think it's really going to work with that. The other item is actually from that beauty fragrance kind of category. This is the Maison Margiela Advent Calendar that they do every year. This is the beauty line, you know, like the fragrance line. I'm not really into the fashion line. I didn't really like some of the campaigns that they've done with the fashion line. It was a bit, I don't know, kind of rubbed me a little bit the wrong way, but not as bad as Balenciaga, of course, but I do actually really like the Maison Margiela Replica fragrance line. So this is the Replica Fragrance Advent Calendar. We've only got one retailer that actually has this Advent Calendar, and that's Mecca. So it was completely sold out online. We can't buy from them directly as well. Like the website directs us to the retailers, unfortunately. And I happened to just go to like my local Mecca and they had stock. So I was like, yes, I would take it, because I thought that I completely missed out on it. So that's how the Advent Calendar looks. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items that you'll receive in this. So, a spoiler, it does tell you what you're going to get on the back. I'm going to zoom you in while I unbox these. I don't want to take too long, so I'll try and be as quick as possible. I'll just cut out the part where I'm unwrapping it. So this is door number 1. So the first one is a little miniature perfume of Jazz Club fragrance. This is actually 7ml. It's such a cute little bottle. I might actually re-gift this because I have the dossier version of this. All right, door number 2. This one is Beach Walk, another 7ml fragrance. I actually don't own this and actually haven't smelt this one before. Oh wow, that smells so good. Okay. This is such a fresh, clean scent as well. It smells so clean and fresh. I love that one. Behind door number 3, this is the Lazy Sunday Morning body lotion in a small size kind of tube. Great for travel. It's only 15 ml. I actually have smelt this before, and I'd say that shower gel, it smells pretty close to it, but I feel like it's not as great as the actual perfume itself. Right, behind door number 4, which is just down the bottom there. Okay, this is also Lazy Sunday Morning, and this one is the body lotion instead. All right, the body lotion actually smells far more like the actual fragrance, so I much prefer the body lotion. The shower gel I wasn't that impressed with, but I'll use it anyway. Okay, door number 5. This is a little mini candle. It's a 35-gram candle in Jazz Club. The candle does smell like Jazz Club, but I would say it's more muted, the fragrance on this one. All right, door number 6 down the bottom. Another candle, 35 grams, and this one is Lazy Sunday Morning. This smells more on par with the fragrance than Jazz Club did, but both of them smell really good. This would be great for burning at home. Last door, door number 7, and I think that this is actually the generous sized perfume. Not the full size, but a bigger than the ones that I've shown you. So this is actually the Maison Margiela replica fragrance in By the Fireplace. This is 30 mils. And the other thing as well to note about these 30 ml fragrance bottles, I think all of them are now refillable. This lid screws off. You can actually buy the refills now that you just pour the fragrance into the bottle. So now being able to refill this is a heck of a lot cheaper to just buy those refill bottles and just keep filling up the 30 ml bottles. I don't think they've actually done refills for all their 100 mils or anything like that. As far as I know, the 100 mils aren't refillable. That 30 ml bottle is also really cute, great for traveling. So I love that they've now added that it can be refilled. So all those beauty products will be linked down below. There's a good variety there, different price ranges. Now, this is not going to be a gift idea for sort of everyone. This is something that I picked up for myself, but the price point on this is on the pricey side because it is Chanel. Now, Chanel has gone up so much in price that I can even say that when it comes to like buying from the store, like buying directly from the brand, I'm pretty much looking mostly at like the small items, you know, like the small leather goods section, like the mini bags, because I just find that the pricing has just gone way crazy expensive for their actual like, you know, big size handbags now. Even the classic flap is just super duper expensive now. I think it's like $15,000 for a classic flap. It is insane, the price point. Whereas I feel like if it comes to buying those bigger sort of bags from Chanel, I think the pre-loved market is definitely the way to go. I have a lot of stores that I like to shop pre-loved from, especially from Japan. There is so much Chanel, so much Louis Vuitton, so much Dior. Like there are so many brands, Loewe, like all the brands that you can think of are definitely available in Japan, and the price point is amazing. If you get the opportunity to travel to Japan, you'll get to see all the consignment stores. There's just so much variety there. But there are ways that you can actually shop Japan like online from the comfort of your own home. I'll leave a link down below to a heap of my favorite Japanese consignment stores that are available actually on eBay. They ship worldwide, very communicative, very friendly. You can ask them questions, that kind of thing. But if you are in the US, you might want to look at some US sites. So I'll leave a link down below to my favorite US pre-loved shopping site. So I got a nano bag from Chanel. So I now got the nano version of the Chanel 31 shopping bag, and inside you actually do get a strap. It is completely fixed to the bag. It is a nano bag, but it is big enough to fit my phone. I actually have a pop socket on the back, and it does actually fit my phone, so that's a good start. As long as it fits my phone, that's usually a win for me. I need my bags to be able to fit a phone. So then there's enough space in there as well for like a card holder and keys. So it's actually not too bad. This is the Oleada anchor bag. I'm actually going to do a video on this brand. If it's not already up, I'll be doing it next. So this is also another possible gift idea. So I've got my key pouch, my card holder. I'm using the Calvi Duo because I now carry cash. Hear that? I carry cash all the time now. I said this in my other video, the luxury I don't buy. I mentioned that I don't really buy card holders anymore because I need to be able to fit my cash, because I hate that the banks keep charging me to use my own money. I don't like that. I'm sick of paying surcharges everywhere, so I'm always carrying cash now. It does actually fit those items in there. So I've got my phone, keys, card holder, and I could probably fit in one lip product as well. Go Got my Chanel case. So that Alita bag fits a lot more than what this one does, that's for sure. I can probably only fit one lip product in. I might go with this one from Chanel. This is the Cocoa Flash in this shade 174 Destination. All right, they all fit. I made it. They all fit. That works. However, stuff is kind of sticking up. Swimming, I'd have to have my keys running around in there swimming and you know, scratching the crap out of the bag potentially. However, it is actually fabric lined, so that's not too bad because you're not scratching leather, you just be scratching the textile fabric, which is pretty robust anyway. But it's still a very cute bag. I mean, at least it fits the essentials. I love light purples as well, so I really like the color. It's got a long length chain strap, so you can wear it crossbody as well. So in terms of it like being a nano bag, I think it's very generous. Most of the time when I see nano bags from Chanel or micro bags, they don't fit a phone. So I think that in retrospect, this is actually not too bad of a like miniature handbag. I think that it's at least better than some of the ones that I've come across that they've designed. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Do you like this cute little nano bag? Are you still buying from Chanel as well? Are you paying the full retail price for Chanel bags? Or are you like me and you're looking more at pre-loved, or have you just kind of stopped buying from the brand altogether? I know that sales are definitely down in the luxury industry, that's for sure. They have gone down a lot. They must, of course, picked up again at Christmas because that's the time where people splurge and wanting gifts and that kind of thing. But yeah, the luxury industry has gone down a lot. Even the pre-loved market is not booming as what it was before, even though the pricing is far better than going ahead and paying the retail pricing. It is just, you know, a lower economy right now. Not everybody is buying luxury fashion. I'll leave the link down below for the HELAS jewelry and also those 2 discount code options. But yeah, everything is going to be linked down below. Open up that description bar. As I said, I'm an advocate for pre-loved, so I'm going to leave all those pre-loved websites down below as well that I recommend. And that is it. Those are the items that I treated myself for Christmas, but of course I will have my annual what I got for Christmas video as well. I just wanted to do a bit of a sneaky reveal of some of these items that I got for myself. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.